Hi, welcome back to Dr. Zahir Math. In this video, I'm going to teach you exercise 1.5 complex numbers, right? Most of the problems will be done using the complex mode in your FX991 ES Plus calculator. So keep your calculator ready. Complex numbers are very important in your engineering courses. You will see them later in your major courses like electrical circuits, electronics and mechanics. They help engineers work with numbers, which has two parts. One is real, another one is imaginary. Imaginary, in the class I already told you, it has I. Real means no I. You can say like that. Real means no I. Imaginary means you have I. Keep in your mind. So where teacher, real and imaginaries are going to come. Just like how electricity has both size and direction, right? So normally electricity you have size and you have direction. What do you mean by teacher? Size, teacher. Size means what? It is magnitude, right? It is magnitude. And if direction means what? Phase. So normally we use in electrical circuits all these things. So let's begin and make this topic very easy to understand, right? Okay. So let's start this one. Come on, take your calculator, all of you. So in the calculator, please press mode. Okay. Mode, if you press and then press number 2. If you press number 2, the screen looks like complex. Can you see that? CMPLX. This one will come in the screen. So if it comes in the screen, then you are ready to use complex mode. So what do you mean by complex mode, teacher? Yes, if you want to get I in the calculator, you have to use this mode. Where is I, teacher, in the calculator? Okay, look here. There is a small screenshot I have given here from the calculator. Can you see the ENG mode here? ENG. And can you see the I in that small color? Can you see that? The purple color. Can you see I? Yes. So in this way, you can see I here. Do I need to anything press teacher shift alpha? No. When the screen is in complex mode, automatically if you press this ENG, I will come. Okay, all of you? Right? Are you ready to go? Yes. Let's start. First question. Find the real numbers. Find the real numbers, right? Find the real numbers A and B such that the equation A plus BI is equal to 9 plus 8i. So what we are going to find out? You're going to find out A and you're going to find out B. So what is that? A plus BI is equal to 9 plus 8i. So let's see here. This is a real number. This is a real number. This is an imaginary number and this is an imaginary number. Keep in your mind. So A is equal to what? 9. Okay. And what is your imaginary number attached with this B? So B is equal to 8. Very simple question. A is equal to 9. B is equal to 8. Right. Let's go to the next question. Perform the operation. So that means what is given, you're going to do it. You're going to plus these two complex numbers. Complex numbers in the sense negative square root. Write the result in standard form. What is standard form? A plus BI is the standard form. Okay, all of you? Right. So let us start now. Take your calculator, all of you. Type this one, minus 2 plus, carefully type square root minus 8. And then give a small space, then use the bracket. Because usually bracket comes here. If you put bracket here, it is wrong. So your bracket should be out of the square root. Keep in your mind. And then plus, bracket open, 5 minus square root of minus 5, 0. Close the bracket, little bit space. Okay. If you put this one in the calculator, you will get 3 minus 3 times square root of 2. 3 minus 3 times square root of 2i. So this is the answer. You can write directly in the paper. Okay, right. Let's go to the next question. Perform the operation 7 minus 2i. 7 minus 2i times 3 minus 5i. You're going to do the perform the operation. What is operation here? Multiplication. Right. Put it in the calculator. This one. So 7 minus 2i. Come on, press 7 minus 2i. Where is I? ENG. You have to press ENG. Where is I? E, N, G. Come on, press it. And you will get plus equal 11 minus 41I. I will also try along with you, right? I just calculated in my mind. 7 minus 2I, close the bracket. Bracket open, 3 minus 5 E and G. Press close. Equals 11 minus 41I. Clear all of you? Right. Let's go to the next question. Multiply the complex number by its complex conjugate. First of all, you should know what is complex conjugate. Conjugate means, keep in your mind, if plus I, you have to change it to minus I. If it is minus I, you have to change it to plus I. Keep in your mind, okay? So now, suppose I give 1 plus I. Can you tell me conjugate? This is conjugate. This side, it is conjugate. So can you tell me its conjugate? 1 minus I is a conjugate. Suppose I give minus 1 minus I. What is the conjugate? Minus 1, no change. Only you are going to change I, which is plus I. So conjugate means you are changing the sign of I. Sign means plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Okay. What is the question? The question is multiply. So it means you are going to multiply. So first number and you are going to multiply the second number. Okay. Right. So the second number. What is the first number? Multiply the complex number 9 plus 2i. You are going to multiply by its complex conjugate. So what is the complex conjugate? 9. It is plus 2i. You are going to change it as what? Minus 2i. So use bracket, use bracket, use bracket, use bracket. Take your calculator. So bracket open, 9 plus 2i, bracket close, multiply, bracket open, 9 minus 2i. And then press equal, you will get the answer 85. Clear all of you? So simple? Right. Let's go to the next question. Write the quotient 6 minus 7i. Quotient means what? Numerator, denominator. Okay. So write the quotient in standard form. What do you mean by standard form? A plus bi. This is standard form. Right. So what is given? The question is 6 minus 7i divided by 1 minus 2i. The same question which is similar is rationalizing the denominator. In the first module we did it. Same thing. Step number 1. You have to do by steps, not the answer directly. Okay. Right. So now before going to this one, take your calculator all of you. Type this equation. Come on, type 6 minus 7i over 1 minus 2i. If you type this equation and press equal, once you press equal, you will get the answer 4 plus I. But keep in your mind, you are not supposed to write the direct answer in the exam. You will not get full mark. You have to do steps. So step number 1. What is step number 1, teacher? Write the problem 6 minus 7i divided by 1 minus 2i. Put bracket, put bracket, put bracket, put bracket and put a multiply symbol. Then after that, you just open another bracket here and also open another bracket. Look at the denominator or down here. What is here? 1 minus 2i. You put here 1 plus 2i, 1 plus 2i. Suppose here 1 plus 2i, you put here 1 minus and put here 1 minus. The same number you have to put it. Now take your calculator, that is step number 2. The step number 2 is take your calculator. You are going to multiply this one in the calculator. Only this. Keep in your mind, only this. Step by step. Come on, open. Yes, AC. Bracket open. 6 minus 7i. Bracket close. Multiply. Bracket open. 1 plus 2i. 2i, sorry. Are you all doing? Yes. Put in the calculator. Press equal, you will get 20 plus 5i you will get. Right? Okay. Then press AC everybody. AC means there is a button in the calculator, AC, green color. Now what you do? You just type in the calculator now, right? So 1 minus 2i multiply 1 plus 2i. Brackets very important. If you miss the bracket, you will get wrong answers. Keep in your mind. Brackets are very important. So 1 minus 2i divided by 1 plus 2i. Press equal, you will get 5. Then step number 3. Step number 3 is what you're going to do. You're going to put the whole thing in the calculator. Come on, press the numerator by denominator. This is called fraction mode, okay? So always use this one when you have this situation. So use fraction mode, okay? Type 20 plus 5i over 5. If you press this one, you will get the answer 4 plus I. What is the answer you will get? 4 plus I. So like this, you have to do 3 steps to get the answer. Look here, the same answer before you got it. But you are not supposed to write the answer directly. So how many steps you have to write? 3 steps you have to write to get the answer. But everything you are doing by what? Calculator. Clear all of you? Right. Let's go to the next question. Use the quadratic formula. We all studied in the last exercise in 1.4. Remember? Yes. What is your quadratic formula? Your quadratic formula is x equals minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. To solve the quadratic equation, right? So let us take this equation. X square minus 2x plus 2. Whenever they say quadratic formula, you have to use quadratic formula. Whenever they say factoring, you should use factoring. So whenever they say just solve, directly you can use calculator. So 3 options are there, keep in your mind. Right. Now, before going to start the problem, you just get the answer from the calculator and keep it ready. Then you start the work. Come on, go to the calculator everybody. Mode 5 and then press 3. Then the screen will ask you A, B, C. What is A? I told you in the class, mu'amal x square. Mu'amal is Arabic word. Coefficient of x square. What is mu'amal x square? 1. What is your B? Mu'amal x. Don't forget the minus all the time. You are forgetting the minus. So it is minus 2. What is C? C is rakam. Rakam means number, which is equal to what? 2. So come on, press in the calculator. 1, press equal, minus 2, press equal, and then press equal. You will get x1 equals 1 plus I and x2 equals 1 minus I. This answer, you have to get it using quadratic formula. Teacher, can I write directly in the exam this one? No, because the question is what? Use quadratic formula. Right. So let me write A value is 1 and B value is negative 2, C value is 2. And what is the formula? The formula is x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So put it in the formula, x equals minus b, minus of minus plus 2, plus or minus square root of b square minus 2 square minus 4 into a. A is 1, c is 2, whole divided by 2 times a, that is 1. So x equals plus 2 plus or minus. Come on, everybody take your calculator, all of you. Now what you're going to do, you're going to put only this in the calculator. Only this. What I'm rounding, you just see, okay? Just put in the calculator only this. If you put in the calculator this one, you will get 2i. Are you getting 2i, everybody? Carefully put. Minus 2 the whole square, minus 4 into 1 into 2 inside jadar. Keep in your mind. If you put this one, you will get plus or minus 2i, you will get 2i in the calculator. Okay. And then divided by what? 2. Correct, everybody? Right. So it has what? 2 answers. It has what? 2 answers. Right. So what is the first answer? The first answer is x equals 2 plus 2i by 2. What is the second answer? X equals 2 minus 2i by 2. Clear? Right. So x equals, I'm taking amal mushtarak 2. When I take amal mushtarak 2, I'll get 1 plus I divided by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So x equals what? 1 plus I. Clear, everybody? Right. Now x equals, I'm taking amal mushtarak 2. 1 minus I divided by 2. 2 gets cancelled. So x equals, what is remaining? 1 minus I. So what is your answer? x equals 1 plus I and x equals 1 minus I. Just go to that where we have got in the calculator this answer. Come on, see. So this is answer. We got mode 5 3. Remember. So make sure your answer is correct or not. Let's go to the next question. The next question is use the quadratic formula again to solve the quadratic equation. Right. So what is your A? A is equal to 1. What is your B? 6. What is your C? 10. Come on, take your calculator. Mode 5 and then 3. When you press mode 5 and 3, mode 5 and 3, what you will get? The screen will ask you A, B, C. Correct or not? Screen will ask you what? A, B, C. Sorry, the iPad is, sorry. Right, the screen will ask you A, B, C. Right, so what's your A? A is your 1 and B is your 6 and C is your 10. Come on, press equal. A equals 1 equals 6 equals. You will get x1 equals 3 plus I and x2, minus 3 plus I minus 3 minus I. Okay, so make sure this answer you are getting or not. Let us use the formula. X equals minus b plus or minus jadar b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x equals minus b. What's your b? 6. Minus 6 plus or minus jadar 6 square minus 4 times A is 1 and C is 10. Okay, divided by 2 times what is your A? A is 1. So 2 times 1. So minus 6 plus or minus 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 10. Right. So x equals minus 6 plus or minus what I said only, I put 6 square. Let me put this. Only thing is you are going to put this in the calculator. You're going to put in this in the calculator. So when I put this in the calculator, what I will get? I will get just 2i. So you will get 2i. Keep in your mind. So if you want to get this, your mode should be in complex mode. Keep in your mind. Okay, right. So it is divided by 2. Now it has 2 answers, right? One answer with plus, another answer with what? Minus. So x equals minus 6 plus 2i divided by 2. And x equals minus 6 minus 2i by 2. Clear? So x equals, I am taking amal musharak 2, common factor. So I will get minus 3 plus I divided by 2. Make sure what you have taken is correct or not. 2 into minus 3 is what? Minus 6. 2 into I is what? 2i. Wow, fantastic. So it's correct. So 2 gets cancelled. So you're getting x equals minus 3 plus I. Clear everybody? Right. Now go this side. Yes, x equals, I'm taking amal mushtarak 2 out. So when I take amal mushtarak 2, here I will get what? Minus 3. Here I will get what? Minus I divided by 2. Make sure what you have taken is correct or not. 2 into negative 3 minus 6. 2 into negative I minus 2i. Right. So 2 gets cancels. So you are getting x equals minus 3 minus I. So make sure your answer is correct or not. Minus 3 plus I minus 3 minus I. Wow, the same answer we got it. Clear everybody? So this finishes your exercise 1.5. It's a very small exercise and also it's very, very easy, right? So we have completed almost 1.5, not almost, all the questions we have done on complex numbers. You saw how easily we can handle all these operations using the complex mode in the calculator. So in the specialization, we will use this complex mode in many places. Okay. Again, I'm telling you, practice these problems from your notes. Again and again, I'm telling, don't just watch the video. While you're watching, please write it in your iPad or pen and paper, right? So then only you'll be fully confident for your exam. Okay, everybody. And this PDF I will upload in the comment section as well as in the description box. You can download as a PDF in the Google Drive link. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and tell your friends that Math is not difficult if you practice. East or West, Dr. Zahir Math YouTube channel is the best. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Zahir.